guys, I'm Misako Rocks. Today, let's draw pretty cute 名探偵プリキュア Akechi Anna-chan. Here we go. So this is a guideline. Alright, so this is gonna be, I'm telling you, it's going to be super challenging. Not just because of expression or anything, her hair. I never draw this kind of a hairstyle in my life. Everything we're gonna do step by step. And also, I want you to have a really nice face. Don't draw her eyes face too big, even though, yes, her eyes like oversized. It's just super pretty, super kawaii. That's the theme, okay? So draw here. But yeah, I want you to have a nice space for her hair. This is going to be one of the exciting of a manga anime hairstyle. So let's do step by step. So here we go. And then I'm gonna tilt it a little bit. They have a semi-eyelid line here too. Whoa, sorry about that. And let's start drawing her eye. Okay, so her eyelid is pretty big one, right? And eyelash is just pointing this way. But actual eye, not gonna be too big. Maybe big. And the bottom eyelashes like this. And the inside of her eyes, okay, so this is a key. Bubble looks kind of like a cloud. I mean, we're gonna do more like a kawaii manga style, like a little bit of Misako's twist. But still, I like to follow this original, this exciting style too. So cloud, and the middle part is gonna be really like a dark blue, and the two lines like this. Oh yeah, and then heart. Do you have a space? I hope you do. Okay. And we're gonna do the same thing on the side. Here we go. And today's expression is she's pointing out a finger. That's her signature pose, okay? I'm pretty sure like some of you here grew up with watching Purikua. Because in Japan, most of my friends' kids, they do watch. Super popular. And since there are so many characters and seasons, right? It's fun for even adults as a family to collect everything. Man. So this latest one, 名探偵プリキュア with the Star Detective. This season, it's gonna be latest. That's what we're gonna draw, right? And the more season just continue, I just feel like the more complicated the main character's hairstyle could be. Don't you think? So we are going to challenge a lot today. All right, I think eyes are pretty good. And we're going to start drawing her eyebrows. So her eyebrows is not going to be too long. And it's going to be, the tone today, it's going to be lavender purple. So we're going to add a like lavender inside of it. I'm going to have a little space like this. Her nose, so tiny, barely. It's good. And then let's give her positive smile. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then we're gonna start drawing her face line, and we're gonna move to hair. I think her hair, I'm looking at the sample I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. Oh, I hope I can do a really good job to show you today. Okay, so the face shape, face line, it's gonna be pretty short and then round. See, so start with here, cheek, chin. And we're not gonna draw a face line that much because her hair is gonna cover. All right, so this is good. This is good. Okay, so let's start drawing from the top of her bangs. So I have a little bit of space. Okay, now I'm gonna start pushing down a little bit. 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna start drawing from the right side. 1, 2, ちょっと待って。Okay, 3. Let's go from a side. Okay, here, and more here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we're gonna go more. Okay, here, go up, down, little bit here, right there. Let's add a little bit more just in case. Okay, good. And then, but we're gonna draw her hands right there. Well, okay, let's just try to do more. Oh, hair goes slightly up. And we're gonna draw this hair accessory. Behind this, I wanna add more. Ready to draw round shape. And then wing goes こういう、あら、はい、はい。And round. Looks like a candy. Bow. We're gonna do the same thing other side. Wing, kawaii wing circle. And hair bun on the top. And you know what? I want us to start drawing more hair, but it might be safer to start drawing from a neck and a shoulder line and a hand. And then we can draw the rest of it. Let's do that. So after you finish the top part, we're gonna come back here. Okay, and then neckline, okay? So, and then her clothes is also challenging, guys. I like it. Heart. Bow. Bow. Oh, God, this small. And then tie. Okay, here. Kind of like this. Good. And then goes here. Here. もうこうかな? はい。はい。Good. Okay. That's the shoulder, not the shoulder all the way, but a little bit on the top. And we're gonna start drawing her hand, and she's doing kind of like this. Okay. Right there. You ready? So we're gonna start drawing from index finger in this circle, this oval shape here. Goes up. Sorry, I got a little too skinny. And she's wearing a little bit gloves too here. And I want to draw 3 knuckle line. 1, 2, 3. Good. And then from here, 1 finger in. Ring finger in. Pinky in. And then let's draw. Hi. 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 Like that. Okay. And then thumb, go here. Okay. Thumb is gonna be side, slightly looking down here. And then can you draw a little, kind of like this. And lines. I think this is good. And then we're gonna add a shadow. Hey, that's it. Okay, now it's really good. So behind this hand, we're gonna start drawing her. A little bit more hair, guys. Whoa, wait. Goes like, kind of like this, okay? So bangs, side hair, more little lower hair, and longer hair. And this one too. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. Goes like that. Hey. And it had this like a jacket, not jacket, but the top she's wearing is almost like a wing too, like a big frill. Okay, from the shoulder. So what I meant is, ちょっと待って. I'm looking kind of like this. Hey. Yeah, like that. Okay? Kind of a wings, right? Alright, wow, so expressive. Okay, so now we're gonna start drawing this side hair. You ready? Okay. I want to add a little bit more hairline here. Actually, we're gonna add more fabric too. Underneath this wings, can you draw triangle here? And more triangle. And round here. Kind of like this. Good. Okay. And then from here, 1, 2, ne. Yeah. I think it's cute. But if you can, I want to draw this hair go slightly in, please. I kind of went a little like what? I was having fun too much. Kind of like this. Okay. Here, did you see? 1, 2. Then the bottom part. So hair looks like a tail, creating a heart. I don't think you understand what I'm talking about, so I'm going to show you. From behind. Okay, goes here. Kind of like that. And then, hi, like this. Whew. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing, other side. You ready? Okay. We're done with the right side. We're going to start moving this. So let's start from here. And more. Okay. Okay. And then go here. More like that. And then go like this. And then I want this side here to sort of like goes outside a little. Let's add a little movement here, like this. Okay, good. Then you do the same thing. Circle. Ah, my circle's not that good. Wing, circle. Wing, circle. Okay. And then this kind of like fabric goes like that. Good. Hi. And hair bun. Okay, here we go. Then we're gonna do more side hair looking in, okay? And then from behind, hair goes, little heavy hair goes more, touching the shoulder in. And behind this hair, we're gonna start drawing a little shoulder line. You don't need to show that much. Here we go, okay? Then from here, you do the same thing, this one. Hair goes up, 1, 2, 2, yeah, hi, good, like that. And then let's add more, this top layer, close, okay? All right, oh my goodness, you ready? And we're gonna draw a tail. It's not tail, but it looks like a tail, creating a heart shape. Hi. Good. And then kind of like this. We did it. I thought Miko Hatsune's hair was challenging, but I think this is the hardest one I ever tried. But I think we did a good job, right? Okay, let's erase pencil line. We're gonna start coloring. Let's go. If you love kawaii manga, you will love my new middle grade graphic novel, Double Trouble, Lost in Japan, Bounce Back Volume 4. This time, main characters are twin sisters, Angie and Akira. They're going to travel to Japan with Bounce Back characters. They're gonna explore Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto. This fun adventure is packed with kawaii stuff, Japanese pop culture, friendship drama, and lots of excitement. Scan a QR code to pre-order your copy. Now let's get back to the video. Ta-da! Alright, so the hair color lavender, the bottom part is going to be pink. Okay, lavender pink skin tone. That's what we need to do first. But more than anything, what I want to do is I'm going to create shiny spots with yellow. Can you see the way I create kind of a cloud shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So don't color inside with these clouds, but I want to add lavender, and then bottom part is going to be a little bit of pink. So lavender tone is going to be up to here, and then switching to pink, the bottom hearts. Okay, you ready? Let's do it. Okay, so now we're gonna start adding more color. Oh, look at this, we did it. Magenta, pink. Okay, here. Here. Got it. Okay, this is cute. And a tie too. Pretty much, yeah. Heart, bow, tie, magenta tone. Okay, and the bottom part is gonna be yellow. And if you have a much light, bright yellow, like I have, this one's neon yellow, you can finally add colors inside here. Clouds, okay? When you do have a red, if you do inside of the circle here, all right, good. And then all we gotta do this blue. Kind of outline is gonna be darker blue. And the rest of this top can go really light blue or close to this hair color lavender. But I kind of don't want to use the same tone, so I'm changing up a little. But just the light blue, okay? Then let's do her eyebrows. Good. The inside of her eyes first. Light blue. Not inside of a bubbles, okay, or heart. Then dark blue. Dark blue. And can you sort of add a thin dark blue outline, just the outline of this eye, just a tiny bit, please. Kind of like that. And then let's add a pink inside of a heart. Okay, this is good. I think that mouth. Then we're gonna write it down puricure in Japanese. Top. I'm gonna do top here. Okay? Ready? Hey. One. This is pu. Ri. Q. A. Puricure. Here we go. We did it. Good job. Yay. Ta-da! Metante Puricure. Her name is Akechi Anna-chan. I hope you enjoyed. Well, her hair was really challenging, but it was good in the end, okay? I hope you like this video. So yeah, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you next video. Bye-bye! One more thing, take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!